Avni means earth. From the start, it felt right. Grounded, timeless, in tune with nature. What if a home could breathe with you? That's where the 5 elements began. Akash, opening spaces to light, sky, and openness. Vayu, letting air move freely, bringing ease into every corner. Agni, sunlight, placed where it warms and matters most. Near, water, valued, reused, and respected. Ilaya, green spaces that grow with you over time. Something lasting, something thoughtful. Avni is more